Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Miss Raga's Art Room. Okay, we are to the finish. Time for us to mount our landscapes together, right? Because how we present our artwork really does affect how it's viewed by those it was made for, right? Our viewers, right? So I've got my completed landscape here. It's nice and dry, and my completed accompanying calligraphy related to the landscape. Remember, these are equal art pieces, particularly in this style of painting. The calligraphy is just as important, so we're going to be mounting it all together really nicely. Now, I'm working vertically. If you were working horizontally, right, it would look something like that together. I have two different templates for you. Let me set this to the side. So when you're ready to mount, you'll come see me, okay? Or if you are doing this at home, you've already gotten the mounting paper from me and a template. And if you're working horizontally, horizontal template. If you're working vertically, vertical template. Now, it's your choice whether everything's mounted with the picture first and the calligraphy second, or with the calligraphy first and the picture second. That's personal choice. I'm going to do it with picture first, calligraphy second, this way, and I'm working vertically, so there's my vertical template. Let me grab my vertical paper here. So first things first, I'm going to line my picture up, and I'm going to mark my corners where I'm mounting with a pencil for both the imagery and my gorgeous calligraphy. And I'm going to set the template to the side. Okay, so you can see I've got my little corner marks. Here, I'll hold this up to the camera closer. See, I've got my little corner marks there. Okay, all ready to go. Boy, it's tough to see that. There we go. There's that one with the pencil. Okay, see those corner marks? So now we're ready to mount down. So grab your picture and your calligraphy and the strip of glue dots I've given you. Now, if you've never worked with glue dots before, these are super sticky little stickers. And by super sticky, I mean I exaggerate, but you could probably mount a Honda to the ceiling with these little guys. Once they are stuck down, they are stuck down. So you want to work with them carefully. So you've got 8 dots, one for each corner of your picture, one for each corner of your calligraphy. I recommend you kind of like pick and peel it off and just stick it to the tip of your finger like so, and then stick it down to the corner of the back of your artwork. Okay, like so. You want to make sure the dot is totally on the paper and no bit of the dot is coming off the edges, or else it ends up sticking to like everything. You know what I mean? It'll stick to the other projects in the folder. It gets stuck to our display pockets in the hallway. So you want to really make sure those are well stuck down. And so you just kind of pick and peel them up and put them corner, come on, to corner. There we go. And on the back of my calligraphy. And if you have a tear in your picture, or you find that like you don't have enough dots, you're like, wait, I've got a lot of wrinkles on the side of my picture or whatnot, just come see me. I'll give you some extras. That's no biggie. But start with just 4 in each corner and see how it holds itself on down. Should be pretty good. Okay, there we go. All stuck and ready. So I'm going to start with the picture first. Set my calligraphy to the side. Put this over towards the center. I'm going to flip my picture over. And I'm going to line up on my corners. I'm going to stick my picture on down. Beautiful. Okay, same thing with my calligraphy. I'm going to line up on my corners. And stick my beautiful calligraphy on down. Okay, oops, I got a little off to the side there. Okay. Lastly, any little pencil marks showing through, go ahead and erase those. Okay, but there's my beautifully mounted calligraphy and landscape ready to go. Last little bit, you know the drill, artist signature. So I'm gonna grab a black colored pencil, a Sharpie, okay, something nice and dark, and give yourself a nice artist signature. And of course, on the back, you're going to make sure to also print your name and then put your class period, right? 1A, 5B, whichever class you're in. In my case, I always put sample. right? So make sure you put your class period. But other than that, your project's ready to turn into me and show off to the rest of the school when we put up our display in the hallway. All right, thanks for watching, ladies and gents. Take care, and I'll see you next time in Miss Raga's Art Room.